Allah has told us in the Quran, لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. Allah does not burden any person with any burden that they cannot bear. Though that ayah is about sharia, that Allah gave us law that He knew we could carry, it also represents a deeper wisdom. And that is, some people can handle some things, other people cannot handle the same thing. Some people can handle the heat, other people are just dying in the heat. Some people can handle a long class, other people are in a coma in 20 minutes. They can't handle a long lecture. There are different people with different thresholds in different things. And some parents may not be able to cope with the loss of a child. And other parents may actually have more of a threshold for that pain than other parents. Allah knows who has what strength and what weakness. So our trials in life are not actually the same because Allah did not give us the same capacity to bear certain kinds of tests. And whatever tests do come our way are within our capacity to bear. Now, I did address one of the philosophical questions that is raised by this, and that is that, well, sometimes there are people that are given a test that they cannot bear. For example, somebody dies of a disease. The test was a disease, and they couldn't bear the disease, and they died. Somebody was given a trial, and as a result of that trial, that difficulty, they were given the death sentence falsely. That was also a trial that technically they could not bear. They were killed. So how does the ayah still hold that Allah does not test anyone except with what they can carry? First of all, it's referring to Allah's guidance. But second of all, by being able to carry a trial, it doesn't mean that you survive that trial. It actually means your faith survives that trial. That actually at the end of the day, the taklif, the burden that Allah has put on you and me, even if it costs us our lives, Allah will never give you and me a trial that will cost us our faith. And this is an important consideration because for a lot of people, or some people, a trial becomes the reason that their faith disappears. I prayed so much, I even went to Umrah, I even did Hajj, I fasted so many Ramadans, I earned halal, I stayed away from haram, and look what Allah did to me. I'm done. No more for me. What's the point? In other words, that trial becomes an excuse for them to say, this is not something I could have borne, and therefore their faith gets compromised, right? Allah is saying that's not a justification. You will never be given a trial that will justify you losing your faith. And Allah does know there are, for some people, there are certain trials that they will end up losing their faith as a result. They don't have the capacity to hold on to their faith as a result of it. And Allah will not put them through that trial. He will not give them a trial He knows they won't be able to handle.